Hello everybody, welcome to a new video from Upendo Ventures, and this is Will Stroll speaking to you. Just had a random question that I figured would be good to make a video of. So what if you want to change some static text on your website? How do you do that? Right? So for example, one thing might be in a register. Maybe I want to change how this is done. I'll show you that in a minute, but I'm going to show you first the way I'm not going to do it. Well, kind of. So this is kind of an impromptu video, not planned really. But if you want to change static text in DNN, you'd simply log in with the appropriate permission user account, go to Setting menu in the persona bar, and then you go to Site Settings. Under here, you will find Languages. So typically when you want to edit a language, you would go to this little A icon and then go and navigate to whatever it is. However, what if you have no idea which file to look through? Like, unless you come in here all the time, you will not know. So I'm going to show you just how I do this. Maybe you have a better way, and if you do, put that in the comments. That'd be great. Or make your own video. That'd be better. That'd be awesome. All right. So, oops. So I'm going to now show you how I do this, right? So the text I just showed you, I'm just going to log out real quick and then register, and we can see I'm going to just use this as the example. Membership to this website is verified. So this is a registration view. That means this site has registration turned on, right? But maybe I want to make this slightly different wording, right? So what I like to do is I use a little tool called Fire Locator Pro. Or Lite. You can use either one. They both work fantastic. I quite honestly don't know the difference between the commercial and free version. No idea. They both work great. So I'm going to look for this text because I have no idea which file it's in, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for only star.resources because this will make it fast. Oops, there's dot. There we go. And I want to find this exact text, so I'm putting some quotes on it, and it's looking at that website's website folder. So I'm just going to start. All right, could not find that, so that's not in any of the resources files. So this doesn't come up with any results, but look how fast it is. And the main reason is I looked at the wrong file. So what I'm looking for is resx files, and so I'm looking for in any resource file this text, this text right here. I hope you don't see that. That's just silly why that put that there. This text right here, membership to this website is verified. All right, so now we're going to search again, and there it is. So now we have a path here, so we can see it's an app global resources, but shared resources file. There it is right there, shared resources. So now we know which one to go into. So I'm going to log in and find it and then make the changes that I wish. So I'm going to come over here and go to Site Settings again and Languages, and we're going to edit under Global Resources the Shared Resources file. So that's the one we're looking for. And now if we search for that, oh, we don't see that. Okay. I'm going to open with code and find. So all of these things are things I sometimes use, so it just depends on what comes up first. So we can tell that the key for this membership website is verified membership.text. And so now I can come back and look for verified membership.text. Here it is. All right. So now I can copy and paste this into something else and make the change. But what I'm going to do is say memberships to this website are verified, let's say all verified. Right, so we're just making a minor adjustment. So I'm going to save this. In the background, it just creates a separate version. Oh, actually, this is a global, so I made the change global. I have a separate video on the differences of that. So I'm just showing you very quick how to find a value, edit it, and now let's see if that worked. Oh, so whenever you edit a resource file, it does kind of make the site run slow again for the next page load, so be aware of that. There we go. So now I'm registered, or excuse me, I got the register link, I'm looking, and so now it says memberships to this website are all verified. So that's all there is to it. That's how I do it. Let me know with your own video or whatever. How do you do this?